getting sword in your dreams at night and feel inspired to assign me up to the front line. We'll give the order, you'll storm the border without me. If they tell you you're a genius but you need some proof, ask anybody on the payroll to go out with you. If they avoid you, then they'll award you, definitely. Nobody that's around you seems to get it right. How hard is it to follow just a few guidelines and smile while you do it? If you want a page written about you in the book, but you need a food tester cause you curse the cook, I'll take some wine, but you can dine without me. Without me, who would let you play God and make believe that all the blasphemy is coming only from me?